Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Sonos mini subwoofer. So the first thing you want to do, I don't have it plugged in all the way here. I just did that so I can show you guys with one hand here. So you want to first, what you want to do is you want to hold down the button. Okay, at the same time, plug her in. Okay, got it plugged in. Now, what we're going to look for here is an orange blinking light. Continuously hold down the button until this blinking orange light appears. Be patient for it to come. Okay, there's the orange light. Now what you're going to do is release it, and then we're going to wait for a green blinking light or a solid green light there, and that will indicate that it is factory reset. And there we go. So that's how you factory reset your mini Sonos subwoofer. Thanks for viewing.
Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.